Hi everyone, my name is Zoe Murphy and I'm a designer from Margate. I make fun and postable creative kits for people just like you to make cool things at home. This month I'm sending some of my colourful and fun packs to South Gloucestershire for the residents of Emerson's Green and Lyde Green to take part in a cool project that I'm working on with Kerry. Kerry is a fantastic artist who is passionate about showing off the beauty of the local area. We've worked hard to create some little letterbox kits that show you how to join in with our latest project, a press and print activity kit. Participants will be collecting samples of flowers from your local area for the archive at the Bristol Museum and making impressive sun-powered artwork from them in your own home. You'll be able to pick up a completely free pack from one of the collection points, be shown with paper instructions and videos how to collect and press lovely local flowers, and have everything that you need in your pack to make beautiful cyanotype art prints with what you find when you're out collecting. Wow, right? As well as contributing to preserving knowledge and nature from the local area, making cool artwork for you to frame and keep, you'll also have the chance to take part in our local exhibition if you want to, and your work could even end up included in some beautiful public outdoor spaces. It's such an incredible opportunity. It's going to be so much fun and it won't cost you a thing. So if you want to take part, please remember to sign up and register on our website in order to get yourself a kit, because we only have a limited number. We cannot wait to see what you make and I look forward to seeing you soon.